Hi, the topic of this lesson is simplifying expressions. Let's take a look at an example right now in order to understand what simplifying is. The number 7 multiply by 5 plus 4. As we can see, what will give us 5 plus 4? This will give us the number 9. That is 7 multiplied by 9. And this in turn will give us the number 63. How else can we solve this equation? Write it in a different way. 7 times 5 plus 4. It will be the same as 7 times 5 plus 7 times 4. 7 times 5 is equal to the number 35, plus 7 times 4 is equal to the number 28. As we can see, we also get 63 as a result. That is, answer doesn't change. We are getting the first property from there. So, property number 1. To multiply a number by the sum of the numbers, you can first multiply the number by the first term, then multiply this number by the second term, and then find the sum. Then you will have the same answer. You can express it in letters as follows. The number a multiplied by the sum b plus c. This will be equal to a times b plus a times c. Property number 2. To multiply a number by the difference of numbers, we can first multiply this number by the minuend, then by the subtrahend, and then find their difference. We can express it in letters as follows. A multiplied by the difference of the numbers, b minus c. It will be equal to a times b minus a times c. Let's take a look at an example of this property. The number 2 multiplied by 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. That is, 2 multiplied by 3. It will be 6. Let's take a look at the same example, but using the second property. That is 2 times 8 minus 5. That will be the same answer if we multiply 2 by 8 first, minus 2 times 5. As we know, 2 times 8 gives the number 16, and 2 times 5 gives us the number 10. That is 16 minus 10, and this in turn is equal to 6. That is, as we can see, that the result in both cases is the same. Let's now try to use this property to make our math problems easier. Let's consider such an example, 3x plus 8x. The first property is used, so we can write it as 3 plus 8, and only then multiply by x. That is, what will be equal to 3 plus 8. This gives us 11 times x, that is 11x. We can do the same with the difference of two numbers. 24a minus 10a, it will be equal to 24 minus 10, and then multiply by a. That is, 24 minus 10 gives us 14 times a, which is equal to 14a. This video lesson is over.